Hello and welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel, where we share tips and tricks in just a minute. Today, I'm gonna show you how to view your favorite pins on Pinterest. So first, open your Pinterest app. Then, on the bottom right, click on your profile. Then on the screen, select the board that you marked your favorite. So for me, I'm just going to choose this. Then, next on these three lines, simply click this one. Tap on favorite pins. And here you will see all your favorite pins for this board. You can also try other boards that you made and see if you have also favorite pins there. Hopefully, this video is helpful. Please like and subscribe for more content, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. We'll see you next time.